Okay, pardon the mess, but I thought I'd do a little video about putting Clearwater LED lights on your new R1250R. So these are just temporarily mounted, and you can see I have them in the up position, which I prefer rather than hanging down low. And the hardest part was trying to figure out where the wiring harness was gonna go. And I tried putting it up top here, and either on this or on that up there. And when I went full lock, the suspension hit it. So I didn't think that was any good. So this is the only place that I could really find. I called Clearwater, and Billy thinks with this huge block, it shouldn't be that sensitive to heat. I guess we'll find out. Anyhow, the hard part was getting the wires up and around and down through the chase. And what I found out is that the chase for the wires, let me get my finger on it, is this box here. And you can actually unclip it and open it up, which I did, to fish the wires through. So that made it a whole lot easier. Then the wires went all the way through. I cut, soldered, and heat wrapped, heat shrunk my battery connection so I didn't have too much. The fuse holder for Clearwater fits right up underneath in there. This is the data cable here that just runs back to the clear can opener. You can see I'm not a professional video guy. And that plugs in right under there, both sides. I still have to connect my Billy tail light, which is gonna connect to two of these wires. I don't remember the colors so far. But in any case, pretty clean installation. I have to tie wrap the light wires and clean everything up.